Welcome to your Retirement Plan Portals training series. In this video, we explore how to submit payroll files. To get started, navigate to your plan sponsor login page and enter the username and password that were assigned to you. If you do not have this information, please contact your service representative. After logging in, you'll see the main page of the Administrative Reports site. All tools and functions can be accessed from this page through the main menu located to the left side of the screen. The second function in this menu is Submit Files. By positioning your cursor over this item, you're presented with two options: Submit Files and Instructions. Selecting Submit Files launches a screen that manages all aspects of the file submission process. The main body of the screen contains details on files that have previously been submitted. The date, file type, dollar total, and current status are all displayed along with other key information. You can also view files you had previously submitted by clicking the blue links. You can use this to track and manage your file submissions and troubleshoot any problems that may arise. These are arranged newest to oldest. To view additional records, you can navigate through the pages by clicking the numbers in the lower left. The primary purpose of this screen is to support the submission of files. The preparation of these files is outside the scope of this video and will be covered elsewhere, but we will discuss how to upload them for processing. Once you've prepared a file and it's available on your local computer, click the Submit New File button in the upper left of the screen. To submit a file, you first select the appropriate plan name, then the type of file you're uploading. The screen will support the transmission of payrolls, rollovers, loan payoffs, year-end census information, conversion balance files, and participant plan updates. The next set of fields will vary based on the type of file you're uploading. For this video, we'll walk through a payroll file. Select the plan name, enter division or location ID if applicable, the payroll date, and fill in the amount for each contribution type. After all contribution types have been entered, click the Calculate Totals tab. The system will calculate a total for all contribution fields and load this amount in the Total and Deposit to Trust fields. You must complete this step prior to submitting a payroll file. Finally, you must indicate that the funds were forwarded to the custodian by checking the box labeled Funds Forwarded to Custodian. All that is left to do is navigate to the location where the file is stored and click Submit File. The file will be uploaded and a new record appears in the transaction history list. Since this has not yet been processed, you can edit the summary information or delete the record if you discover an error. To edit, click the pencil icon. This will return you to the payroll file entry fields. Make the necessary changes and be sure to recalculate the totals and check the Funds Forwarded to Custodian checkbox. You can also replace the file you uploaded if necessary. When you're done making changes, click Update Plan File. To delete the entire record, simply click the X icon. That's it. You've submitted a payroll file for processing. The balance of the functions on this page will help you manage and troubleshoot files that have been previously submitted. To find a specific file, use the search button at the top of the screen. You can filter by plan, file type, status, date range, and dollar amount. Execute the search by clicking the gray search button. The display will now be limited to files that meet your criteria. To view the complete list again, click the View All Files button and the entire list will again be displayed. If you would like an offline record of the information on the transaction history screen, click Export All Records. This will build a spreadsheet containing the details of all files displayed on the current screen, which you can view, print, or download to your local computer. Clicking Payroll Reports will link you to the reporting section at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can run a report displaying all past due payrolls or a complete payroll history for a specified period. To run the report, select the report type you would like to view, Enter the date range you're interested in and select a plan. Click View Reports and the results will appear right on the screen. Note that if there are no records to display, no events found will be displayed. If you prefer, you can select Download Report to create an Excel file for offline use. Finally, as with all functions on this menu, instructions will display helpful information on this area. This concludes our demonstration on how to submit a payroll file. Feel free to review the material again if you still have questions, or call your service representative. Alternatively, you can select the instructions option previously discussed.